Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today TikTok-O-Matic was revived from its ashes because it was not working for a while now, and today I successfully updated it to make it work again. So to demonstrate this, let me go ahead and import some content from TikTok. Let's check our site. It's empty now, and let me import, for example, 2 posts for the laptop hashtag. So let's save settings. Keep in mind that this is the latest version of the plugin. It needs to be updated to this version for it to work again. And the posts are successfully imported, and if we refresh our site here, we will see that the plugin once again is able to import the TikTok videos. So they are coming with content, images, and also this embedded video. Also, if we get content from users, for example this user, we can also delete the imported posts and re-import new posts when now they will come from this user. And if we refresh our site here, we will see that there will be coming 2 new posts from this user now. And if we go ahead and play this video, we will see the user's TikTok video over and coming to our site. So keep in mind, the TikTok-O-Matic plugin is once again functional. I will link it in this video description, so go ahead and check it if you haven't checked it yet. You will be able to import TikTok videos and post them to WordPress and create posts from them. So yeah, this is all for today. New videos coming up soon. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this content and my plugins. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.